Alright, I am in HomeGoods. So here we go. We have some fall harvest Thanksgiving decor, so I'm going to call it. Most of these turkeys here, they're going to be 15. And of course, plenty of the LED glass pumpkins. Oh, this two-tier one is cute. Can we see that one?
Yeah.
In the back? I can't reach it. Is that... Geez, that was literally at the edge.
Yeah,
why did they do that? 25.
I think they break them so they can make room for more.
25. I haven't seen a two-tiered yet. It's cute. 20. So
I
just
the guy make these. They're really neat.
just be careful when you're putting it back.
This dog.
It's pretty. I feel like we're missing some items in my opinion on that.
I could stack.
More critter friends. Okay, this guy with the top hat, $35. Why is there ghost mixing? That ghost could be mixed in. He's like a pinky tone. We have more turkeys over here. He's $12.99, putting on like a mushroom hat. By Haymarket Square, $17. More of this guy with the backpack. We've seen him before, but you know, we could look at him again. He is $17. Oops, gotta be careful. 17 by Martha Stewart. Here's a 3-tier in the back. It will light up. No price on it. That's what it looks like. The owl stacking, $12.99. What is these fall trees? Oh, these are quite nice. They're 25. Someone coming? I gotta hurry. I'm all trying to hurry when I'm at the it's all at the end cap in the aisle. It's a nice one. Okay, she went around. But yeah, these are really, really nice trees. Who makes them? Wesley Manor. Okay, I'm gonna walk down here. More turkeys. Yeah, there we go. 15 for that one. 25. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's not wicker. I thought it was wicker. It's not. More pumpkins. You get 3 in here. $4.50. That is by Martha. Yep, this is a Martha Stewart one. $50. Welcome fall. And all these pretty flowers. That basket's $50. I like this tree though. We don't get trees like that. How much is this one? $150. Oh, I'm smelling the candles. They smell so nice. Really, really nice. Right here, $59.99 in the yellow. $17 for apple honey butter. It's really nice. And look at the big thing on top. Sand and Fog pumpkin patch. Here's a new pumpkin on this side. This one's going to be $8. This is apple vanilla. These are really nice too on the candle holders, right? These are $15. Falling leaves, and then you get the little squirrel friend, which is like really, really cute. I think that is really, really cute. And look how nice the candles are. What is this one? Pecan pie. Look at the lid. $15.
Let's see, it really smells like pecan.
Hold on. Can you get it? I don't want to drop it. I have one hand.
Yeah, I get it.
You got it?
Yeah, I gotta get it with my things. Ooh, it's really on there.
Does it smell like pecan?
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah. I would say if you're a fan. But I'm more of a spice apple and stuff like that. Here's like a fall. That's $8. There's another one for $7. Oh, here's that turkey one, you guys. That smells like Thanksgiving. It really does. It smells like stuffing, all the seasonings and stuffing, gravy. It's crazy. 25. Lavender, yes. Everything here. Pumpkin vibes, of course. Alright, and more fall. Okay, look at this one. That is 20. Then we have pumpkin patch. 17.
That's 40.
40. Well, the girl is cheaper. The boy was 50. Some more critter friends right here. This one's 15. And 35. He is adorable. Look at him with his, like, I don't know, apple spice or something.
Mushroom.
Mushroom tea, you know, that's good for you. It is good for you. Really, really cute. And this one is by Martha for 25. It will light up. Looks like they got tons of pumpkins in here. Looks like more pumpkins. Oh wow. Everything's fall. $15. $17. $20. Oops. Sorry, turkey boy. Oh, look at this one down here. It's really different. $17. So different. $20. Martha, of course. $29.99. This is Martha. No price. And beautiful fall leaves. And we got flowers. Oh no. Sorry, Mr. Owl. So pretty. I like this green one. Okay, 50, and this one is Martha. It's a 3-1, kind of like the all orange one. More turkey. There's the fall tree. These are 15. $17. Oops, let me put this up. $17 and 20. $50. Wow, this one's by Cupcake and Cashmere. $35. That's quite a bit of wreath, right? Oh, this one's cute too. Let's see a price on it. It's all one piece down here? Oh no. I was like, oh, it's a big table centerpiece. Let me pan out. This is 50. Turn it around. It's a pine cone. That's 50. Thought it all came with this pumpkin. I'll see a price for this one. By Shabby Chic. $35. Not bad. This one's 50. This one's by Martha. And 50 up here. $29.99. I think we might have seen this one. 30. Okay, look at this pumpkin down here. Let me get down here. No price on it.
HomeGoods Kitchen price check registered 13. HomeGoods Kitchen price check registered 13.
$70 for that. And you get everything included. Trying to find out how much these are right here. $29.99. These are gonna be 30. We got a sunflower one. They're 20. Okay, 20 and 35. Never seen so much. Oh my gosh, feels like I'm in a field. Oh, I wish we had a field just to walk through like this. It's pretty. I'm gonna come back over here. Looks like that's 150. And I believe I did share this table before. These are trays, knives. I'm trying to see if I see any fallen kitchen. Just like leftover, a little bit of Halloweeny. Oh, there's that frog, the toad one I did share. The Snoopy fall one is still around. Looks like it's 17. No, 20. That's 20 Mupanin. Plenty of pumpkins. We have baking cups here. A little Snoopy one. More pumpkins. $12.99. Strawberry Street. I like the vintage vibe right here. These are really nice right here. The glassware. Okay, I want to say we might have seen most of this. Ball right here, 15. 15 for that. $12.99. They're different sizes, so 13 for small. Not too sure. 15 for the large, so not bad. Okay. Pumpkins and baskets. Okay, we've seen the turkey plate. These are $12.99. Are you guys ready for fall? Or the weather? Are you ready for like the good smells coming out of your kitchen? I know I am. Bambi. Have not seen Bambi in such a long time. Probably since I was a kid. A flower was my favorite character, even though it was like I don't know why. These are 15. You also have a green one. I can reach it in the back. I can do it. Okay. They're 10. $10 right here. I love the owls. I'll show them again. Those are so cute. They're 15. You have the butter dish. The turkey butter dish. So fun and cute. These are 15. You have a turkey gravy boat. I think I have turkey everything. $12.99. You know, we used to kind of do a little fancy for Thanksgiving, but I just stopped doing that because I've just been kind of like going to the mountains. So I don't know. I'm not gonna have fancy stuff up there. Look at this right here. Like a punch bowl or something. You can do whatever you want. Have the spoon in there. You can't get to that price. Okay, and a large pumpkin. Let me find some. I could put that up here. These bowls are $3.99. So they're 4. These are $5.99. pumpkin butter dish. Would you consider this a butter dish, babe?
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty big.
That's what I put in there. Put butter in there. I don't think you could put
$12.99.
maybe cranberry. I don't know.
Maybe cranberry might go in here. 20. And they have this. Oh, this one has like the little birdie in it. That's pretty. 20. These are melamine salt and pepper shakers. $20. And then the giving plate. That's cute. I may do that for somebody. $25 for that pumpkin. I like that giving plate though. Oh, there's a little bear mug. So I was like standing right here because there was nobody behind me. It's empty in here. And I noticed someone behind me. So I was like, okay, scooting over. And she wanted up here. She grabbed one of these. But she just like stood there and said sorry and like kind of scooted me out of the way. I'm like, just excuse me. I would totally move. Excuse me goes a long way, you guys. Believe it or not, people will move. Instead of like being like really, really rude. Okay, up here. I'm over it. And I've talked about it before, but I believe that is the reason why people are like being rude now to each other. Because everyone's rude. And you're just sick of it. Okay, little tiny ones. $12.99. Then we have like a foggy one. Okay. And on this side, they have all your little espressos for Halloween. Everything's like Halloweeny over here. Mugs. Tons of leftover Halloween. I mean, for me, it's leftover because we've seen quite a bit of it. So there's a lot of new people shopping in stores, and they're like, oh my gosh, Halloween. So it's different for everyone. Look right here, a Beetlejuice. I've never seen this one, but it's $8 from the cartoon. I used to watch that. I believe this cartoon might be somewhere on some streaming app. Don't know which one, because I was tried watching a few, and then I forgot all about it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one.